Merhaba from Kadıköy. It's a little bit blowy today, so apologies in advance for the wind noise because I already know it's going to be horrible. We're off to the Prince's Islands. Ticket cost, I think it's 80 lira, which is about £2, £2.10, something like that. Just under €2.5. Just about to jump on the boat now. Let's go. On the boat, so I'll probably see you at the other side. Now arrived at Büyükada, the largest of the 4 islands. We're going to go and have a walk around now and hope the weather stays with us. Took us about an hour and 15 minutes to get her on the boat today. And I know I often say this, but I haven't done any research. And there is a reason for that today. I was supposed to go out and feed some cats and dogs this morning, and we had a bit of a storm, so we've switched stuff around, and at the last minute we've ended up coming here today, and we're actually going to come here tomorrow. Fingers crossed it doesn't rain on us, because there is some pretty suspicious black clouds behind me now. Let's go. Now, if you noticed the little electric vehicle then, up until the year 2020, the only method of transport on this island was a horse-drawn carriage. Now eventually, because of tourism and a little bit of protesting because of animal rights, they've now switched to little mopeds and electric vehicles. Although having said that, I think I did see a van, so I'm not sure how true that really is now. If there's any doubts about the fact that we are now in autumn, the colour of the leaves is the dead giveaway. Might not be any horses more, but there's still plenty of cats and dogs. Back along the main street next to the water. Restaurants everywhere. Unsurprisingly, they're all fish ones, which is no good for me. Found something to eat. A bag of roasted chestnuts and some corn. weather's still just about holding out on us. I feel we're probably not too far away from a storm again. Hopefully not when we're at sea, although at least we could sit inside then. No idea where we're walking, but the buildings are quite interesting. Architecturally, they almost remind me of things in the south of the United States. What do you think? Maybe it's the shutters or the ornate designs. If I told you I was in like coastal Georgia or South Carolina or something now, I reckon you'd believe me. I think there's a strange coincidence there. Similarity. Ten to 4, we've got 10 minutes to get back on the boat now to Kadıköy, so we can get back to Moda where we're staying on the Asian side of Istanbul. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time.